Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our institution's Safety Officer Interviews question and answer training videos.
Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Today I will teach near-miss definition and explanation. First definition: an unplanned event that has the potential to cause. Second definition: an unwanted event that had the potential to cause harm, but, in fact, did not do so. Or, an incident that does not result in injury or loss. Third definition: a near-miss is any unplanned incident, accident or emergency which did not result in an injury. An example would be materials falling from scaffolding and almost hitting an employee underneath. A near-miss must be reported to determine the cause in order for changes to be made to prevent it happening again.
What is a near-miss, OSHA?
OSHA defines a near-miss as an incident in which no property was damaged and no personal injury was sustained, but where, given a slight shift in time or position, damage or injury easily could have occurred.
Explain about near-miss definition.
A near-miss, near hit, close call, or nearly a collision is an unplanned event that has the potential to cause, but does not actually result in human injury, environmental or equipment damage, or an interruption to normal operation.
What constitutes a near-miss?
A near-miss is an unplanned event that did not result in injury, illness, or damage, but had the potential to do so. Only a fortunate break in the chain of events prevented an injury, fatality or damage. In other words, a miss that was nonetheless very near.
Why is it important to report a near-miss?
Near-miss reporting is vitally important in preventing serious incidents that are less frequent but more harmful than near-misses.
Why is it called a near-miss?
A near-miss is an unplanned event that did not result in injury, illness, or damage, but had the potential to do so. Only a fortunate break in the chain of events prevented an injury, fatality or damage. In other words, a miss that was nonetheless very near.
What is a near-miss form?
Near-miss investigation form. The reason for investigating an incident or near-miss is to determine the cause or causes of the incident, to identify any risks, hazards, systems or procedures that contributed to the incident, and to recommend corrective action to prevent similar incidents.
What is a near-miss in healthcare?
A near-miss in medicine is an event that might have resulted in harm but the problem did not reach the patient, because of timely intervention by healthcare providers or the patient or family, or due to good fortune. Near-misses may also be referred to as close calls or good catches.
How to prevent near-misses in the workplace?
Consider the following best practices. 1. Establish a near-miss reporting system. 2. Investigate the cause of the near-miss. 3. Encourage employee participation. 4. Incorporate wearable technology and data analytics.
What are the benefits of near-miss report?
A near-miss is a leading indicator to an accident that, if scrutinized and used correctly, can prevent injuries and damages. Collecting near-miss reports helps create a culture that seeks to identify and control hazards, which will reduce risks and the potential for harm, OSHA states.
How to prevention of accidents?
In accident prevention, it is essential to analyze what has happened in the past. It is important to understand why accidents or near-miss cases have occurred and what actions can be taken to make sure they will not happen again. Finding the root causes for all accidents and near-miss cases helps to identify hazards and risks in the workplace based on which corrective actions need to be taken.
How to collecting the information about near-misses?
The basics, why, when, and how, of gathering information about near-misses should be clear to everyone in the workplace. Workers need to understand that the motivating factor is to gather information and not to find who is guilty. Instead, the aim is to learn and prevent further accidents. When workers understand the message that they will not be punished because of the near-misses, this usually encourages them to better report the near-misses.
What are the main points to reporting of each near-miss case should include?
1. What happened? 2. When? 3. Where? 4. To whom? 5. Influencing factors. 6. The factors that prevented the incident from occurring. 7. Suggestions about how to prevent similar cases in the future. 8. The name of the person in case there is need to obtain additional information.
How to gather the information about near misses to prevent accident.
1. The process of reporting near misses. 2. Receiving near miss reports. 3. Handling of near miss reports. 4. Choosing the corrective actions. 5. Implementation and follow-up.
How to process of reporting near misses.
Everyone at the workplace should be aware of how to report near misses and where they should be reported. Each workplace should have a process for reporting and analyzing near miss cases. Reporting near misses should be everybody's responsibility all the time, not only the responsibility of those in the internal USH organization or in management.
How to receiving near miss reports.
A successful process will always include information on who receives the near miss reports and who handles the reports. It is necessary to appoint a person who is responsible for receiving the reports.
How to handling of near miss reports.
After receiving and processing the near miss report, for example registration into the database, corrective actions need to be considered. An investigation of near misses should be performed in a similar manner.
How to choosing the corrective actions.
Planning of the corrective actions requires resources, such as staff and time.
How to implementation and follow-up.
After the decision on the corrective actions is made, the implementation should be ensured by naming a person in charge and agreeing on the schedule for implementing the corrective action. Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.